Me hear a bag of people that make nice, what I make nice for? No, not so not bad people. Defend myself, man, I want to. Me hear a bag of people that make nice.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. People. Good morning to all Vendetta fans. Who ready for new rules today? Yeah, man. New rules. Yeah, man, you don't know. Yo. It's gonna be a history day today. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up all of the Vendetta fans, them. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up all of the haters, them. Yeah, man. And big up all of the supporters, them in the comment. Either bad or good. That's how it go. We have to balance the scale. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man. But I don't know people. I'm Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. And big up for everybody for supporting the channel. Yeah, man. You don't know. Because you don't know. I dance all, you know. We have to make the place nice. You see me? You don't know. We have to beat the apps them more while. You see me? Yeah, man. And sometimes we have to just make them go on easy and make them go and watch and see what I want. You see me? But people, you don't know new rules, you know. Yeah, man. Today, you don't know. Everybody, road to Ochi. You see me? Runaway Bay, you don't know. Yeah, man. Till they reach TRELAWNY. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man. You don't know TRELAWNY Stadium loud. You see, it's going to loud, people. It's going to be a wonderful show, man. Nah lie. You understand? A line up. You see me? You don't know Briscoe I go there. Intense I go there. Armani I go there. Silk Bass I go there. You don't know Munga, Tifa. You understand? Yeah, man. And you don't know them add some artists where you don't know some underdog artists and thing. You know, forward up in a game. You see it? Yeah, man. Wanna see it on the flyer them. You see it? Yeah, man. It's a good look, man. And my rate say, my rate how Alkaline look out for the youths them. You see me? Yeah, cause these artists on the show, you don't know. Like, it's a, you know, it's not a thing where, you know, them depend some big show all the time and certain look at it. As them say, the artists them fall off, you know. That's how it go. Everybody get them time in a dancehall and certain look at things, but this are gonna be kinda a exclusive show where, you know, it's a good while people not see them artists that will get booked for new rules, you know, on a big platform. Is what I'm trying to say. So new rules, I give them back a highlight and say, look here, remember them artists here. One at a time did that dominate this place. You understand? Like female artists like Tifa. People who remember when Tifa mashed up a place. May I tell you, yeah man, when I tell Tifa Munga, is what me I try to say. Yeah man, intense. When I don't know when Briscoe jump out and every little thing, is what me I try to say. Yeah man. Silk Bass, when Silk Bass run out. You see it. And that's how the thing go, people. Is what me I try to say. It's gonna be a good look. Me not lie. Yeah man, new rules. And I don't know the Vendetta Bass. Alkaline. You see me? Yeah man, people are going forward over to the Vendetta Bass. Cause I remember, you know, them not to see him like that. And it's good while now. About 3 years now, them not see him. You understand? So, it's a good look. It's a good event. A lot of sponsorship. You see me? I go there at the show. You see it? Yeah man, it's a great look, man. Great look. You see what I try to say? Trust me. It's going to be a wonderful look. You see it? So, people, want to drive safe. All who are fall from Kingston, Spanish Town, St. Thomas, is what I try to say. All who are come from the west side, St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, all of them people there. Look at them, man. Drive safe. You understand? And no bother with the drinking. You see it? Yeah, man, can remember so I reach back on the yard safe, you know. You see it? So, on watch. If a 4-person in a vehicle, 4 no cannot drink, you know. Yeah, man. The 4 no can't drink. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, you can't drink people. You see, I feel left one kind of sober way. Him can, the person they can drive in a woman certain little things. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, so I saw the thing said. You see it? And we fall from Kingston to Ochi, make sure say, you don't have no toll money. You understand? It depends on the vehicle on the drive. You see it? But, you know, like some SUV will pay like 2,000, maybe 2,500. You know, 5 grand going forward is what I try to say. Remember people, the team of a bus. You see it? Yeah, man, the team of a bus, man. I remember all of the location them for the ticket. You see it? Yeah, man, remember the location them for the ticket. You see it? Yeah, man, people. New Rules gonna be a magnificent show. Trust me, it's an anticipated show too. You understand? Everybody I look forward. Everybody I go look and see what Alkaline I go forward with. You understand? You don't know the vendetta boss. Ush. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up the ADF them. You do my try say? Yeah, man. But people, please, as me say again, drive safe. You understand? Yeah, man. Drive safe on the road, people. You see, but I know say sometimes rain fall on the Ochi road and yeah, the road gets slippery and all of them look or something there. But I know say the Beamers them a roll out, the GLE them a roll out, the Mark X them a roll out. You understand? Yeah, man, the Honda SUV, yeah, man, the Lamborghini them, you see what I'm trying to say? The Ferrari them, whatever vehicle you have, the Beamer them, the Benz, you understand? Yeah, man, drive safe, because I know say man them a burn up toll, you know. Ochi toll not good again, you know. You understand? Yeah, man, it a got turn up, man. You see what I try to say? Cause remember, you know, when it touching at the town now, you know, see, and reach at the roundabout after I finish the toll, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, and now go gonna right. So I go right round and then go straight. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. Straight heading to Runaway Bay. Past Runaway Bay, you don't know. Buyer, Principal, Resort. You see what I try to say? You have spot. You see me? Yeah, man. And reach at TRELAWNY fast. You see it, and there, when I go see the stadium, is what I try to say. Yeah, man, trust me, man, it a got turn up, man. It a got turn up. New rules is a good rule, and it's new rules for the youth them for follow. You understand? Yeah, man. New rules for the youth them follow. You see it? Yeah, man. So all of the artists them I come perform, do them best. Is what I try to say. Yeah, man, a good while when I see some of the artists them perform on a big platform. Is what I try to say? Yeah, man. So people, when you don't know a new rules are today, I know nothing normal. You see it? Yeah, man, I know normal, man. You see me? You don't know, I go hear Alkaline. It's after it's. You see me? Because you don't know when the Vendetta Boss roll out, you know. Yeah, man. Song like After All, Champion Boy, Formula. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. I tell you people, I know nothing normal. You see it? Yeah, man, although you don't know the haters them are going to roll out. People are going to say, yeah, nobody now got this sound very. But you don't know. That's how it go. In a life, and everybody are going to like you. And everybody are going to support you. I just saw you things said. But Alkaline having vendetta fans them. We are going to roll out. You see me? The whole TRELAWNY, the whole Yamil them. You understand? The whole farmers them are roll out got new rules. You see it? Yeah, man, all of them for wash off them booger shoes when I farm and forward. See me, but remember, Alkaline always I look out for the youths them. You see it, 'cause I remember where I come from. You see me? Yeah, man, remember them kick down barriers, cause them never usually let through young youths like that. The youths them would have to either bow, you understand, or a beg, you see me, for cargo student, every little thing. That's what I try to say. But trust me, people. Is a good look for the Vendetta Boss. You don't know him. Sold out Canada new rules. Sold out UK new rules. It's a good look. And remember, him are the artists. We are do the real big moves them in a young generation, especially the new generation. You understand? And him alone I really do it right now. You see me? Because you don't really have no artists in the new generation thing. Because you don't know Alkaline pilot the new generation them. Is what I try to say, yeah, man, because after Alkaline boss, I be a young youth a boss. You see me? And I him top of the line that. You see it? Because imagine as a youth, you see all Munga them a perform, Tifa them a perform on stage, and them little thing there. Is what I try to say? Yeah, man, and then when you look now, you see, bam, are you a book the same artist when you little and I go high school? Are you a book them same artist up on your show? It's a good look. You understand? Yeah, man. So, the Vendetta Boss, I do it for the culture. You see me? Yeah, man, I do it for the culture, man. Years now. Because you don't know the boss having first show in Jamaica. Yeah. You don't know what a stadium there. In about 2017. You see it? Yo, that was a Huge impact show, me I tell you. Yo, crowd, turn up. You understand? Yeah, man, a lot of people forward out, man. You see it? A lot of people forward come support the Vendetta boss. And the show from 2017 come to 2025, the youth put him, make him stamp for the culture all over the world. UK, US, Canada, Jamaica, and there's more to come. You understand? More to come. Maybe soon in the future we see one in Africa. You understand? Or maybe in some other Caribbean country. Is what I try to say. You don't know him have couple in the US already. You don't know where they have in Canada. You see it, and then you don't know him go over the UK, shell it down. 12,000 people. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. You see me, have the fans, they must sing and everything. You see me? But I saw it go, and he's a very strong youth. You understand? Because the fight when get in the industry is not a normal one. And if you see the youth come out successfully today, I keep him own a show and a book artist and all of them thing there. You understand? You have to give him respect. You see, as I look a young youth we are forward up. You see me, because a lot of artists in a dancehall, them not really have the mindset to really push themselves and reach certain limits. You understand? Yeah, man. Them would have just give up already. But Alkaline master him craft. You understand? And him plan him thing, people. You see it? Yeah, man. And him come up with new rules. You see it? Yeah, man. And new rules we are setting a dancer right now. You see it? Yeah, man. Anywhere you take it, anywhere you go in the world, you always going to have new laws, new rules. You understand? And at that, Alkaline stamp it in the culture. The youth do it for the culture. You see me? Many people may not like him, but at the end of the day, the youth do a great movement. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. So you don't know, say, you say today or tonight, and no nothing normal. Me I tell you say whole TRELAWNY, me I tell you say whole farmers them, whole TRELAWNY go tear up. Yeah, man. Come in by now. It's not a regular day or every year or so you really see no big event really keeping a TRELAWNY like that, people. You understand? So me respect say yo, Alkaline them take the opportunity to go in a TRELAWNY and put on some magnitude show. You understand? Look good for the parish. You see me? Maybe you can even market the parish to start keep event there again. You understand? Or keep more event there. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. But when I don't know people, respect for the support. You see it? When I don't know the things set. Yeah, man. Respect for the support, man. You see me? And big up everybody. Big up all fan base. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up all fan base. And dancehall, yeah, man. You have to shake it up more while. You have to throw a couple jobs and you see what I try to say? Yeah, man. You have to correct some people. You see me? Yeah, man. I saw the thing said. But we have a time where we know say, alright, we're going to do it for the culture. We just going to do it for the culture. You understand? Yeah, man. So, big up everybody. All across the board. Every fans, everything. You see me? But you see, Vendetta fans them, yeah, man. Them loyal to them artists. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. Them support them artists to the fullest. When him drop him album them dead. You see me? Yeah, man, them tune in to him thing. Although Alka is a man will keep him life private and keep himself to himself. But the Vendetta fans them understand the movement. But them are going to come out and still support the artist. You see what I try to say? Because remember, you know, Alkaline and build him fan base from the scratch. From when the whole industry try to fight him. You understand? And him start to develop fans while he might get fight and people say, yo, Jano, how them a do the youth so? What the youth do is like them want the youth bow out and certain little things. Is what I try to say. Him do him little thing in a dancehall for get the attention. You see it, him sing something in a song. You see it, them until this day them still around with it. But it show you the mindset where them have. You understand? Alkaline move on from that long time. Him pull him stunt back then to kind of get the attention of people, run with it. But it's because of the mindset them now. Them are going to still carry on it when him just have progress more and move on and do way better things and you understand, kick down barriers and certain little things as a little young youth. You see it, because it's not a lot of them are doing the movement like what him a do or the way him a do in a dancehall. You understand? And imagine from 2013 till now 2025. Is what I try to say? Yeah, man, the youth still a do it. The youth still relevant. You see it? Yeah man, and him get a lot of fans while him a doing movement, you understand? Because when you check it, 99% of them people hate him for no reason. Like, if you look on fee himself, you understand? It's just because, you know, them feel like say, yo, him for pay some homage and one bag of thing and way. But when I don't know the vendetta boss thing, him just focus on where him a go. You understand? Him not focus on where I go on behind him. You see it? Yeah man, him a focus on the future. You see me? Yeah man. Boss just come to do the job and get the hell out of here. You see it? Yeah man, car everything don't last so long. You see me? Everybody have them time for do what them have to do and then them have to go leave. You see it? I saw the thing set. You see me? That's why the boss say, yo, everything they on him left hand. You see it? Everything is time. So some of the time when you hear them attack, you see him do an interview and it a mash up the whole place. You see what me I try to say? Everybody in them feelings, everybody say, yo, the interview lame dog, this, that. I saw it go, you have to have people talking. But you still have the vendetta fans and we just listen and just watch them artists talk and every little thing. You see me? Cause remember, you know, them used to the bag of drama and certain little things, cause them the well want see what Alkaline are forward with. But so called them say I'm disappointed. But him fans them still pleased with it. You see me? It's still a good interview. It's a calm interview. You see me? It may be no answer certain question how people want him to be or whatsoever, but people are come and criticize anything. I just say thing go. Anything we do in a life, you can't really please everybody. You understand? Yeah, and it's so surprised that some people were not really fans, they want to say very, but I just saw the thing go. You understand? Yeah man, cause sometimes when other people are doing do some shaggy, I just them now call out that, but everybody wants to see the vendetta boss. You understand? You don't know of him undercover fans them. But when you don't know the thing said people, I just new rules, yeah man. New rules, man. You understand? Yeah man, I kick down barrier show this. You see what me I try to say? Come run boy, yeah. Remember say Alkaline say yo, he want to see some artist boss. He want to see some young artist boss. And look there, the youth are keep him sure you know and I carry back some artists where the hot back then, and you understand? Later call it like a re-bus again. A re-highlight again. You see what me I try to say? Yeah man. But you don't know. Number one, vendetta fans. Yeah man, the most loyal fan base in the game. You see, cause when the fan base not really switchy. You see it? Yeah man, I don't know the things. As me say, big up all fan base, cause every fan base support them artists. You see it? And once you support the artists them, is a good look same way. Is what me I try to say. Yeah man, so big up all fan base. Same speed. You see me? Yeah man. All if you no rate way, we still are going to big up same way. Yeah man, but when you don't know enough people, yeah man, a media facts, you know. Yeah man, as me say people, drive safe to TRELAWNY. Me no want see no video and nobody in no accident and all of them look something there. Me no want hear nobody have to end up in the mag. You see what me I try to say? Drive safe, no drinking and driving people. Yeah man, no drinking and driving. You see what me I try to say? Yeah man, but people don't know media facts, you know. New rules. Ha